Okay, let's try this now. So we're gonna put new seals on these injectors. We need 7.3, so I've already mixed everything up, so we're good. Black and blue. So we're just gonna follow that. Once you do it once, you're good. So according to the diagram, upper groove on the top of the injector is the black metal steel. Second is the cushion ring blue with black dot. And then the third is the O-ring blue. So we're good. Now we just gotta put the, this one's kind of a pain. Get on there. Okay, nope, went a little too far. So, I just gotta put the copper on. I like to put the copper with the ridges facing up. Just like that. There's one done. And I'm done, and I'm on to the next one. Yeah, put the steel ring on. Oh, okay. Steel ring. And the blue. It says blue, but it looks black to me. I'm colorblind. And there's that. Now we're gonna do this one right here. This is a pain. Yeah, try not to drop the injector. There's that, and then steel. These look old, but they're brand new and Ford's ways. And I'm done, and on to the next one. Feel the rear, see if it makes any noise in the back. Maybe pull the wheels off. Let's check the brakes. Yeah, let's just check the brakes real quick. Now we'll get that 7.3 opened up. We're gonna slam these injectors in. Get this. Want to get that done today. It's probably actually almost your lunchtime, huh?
Right, 11.
Yeah, I'm thinking it is. Oh, sorry, I didn't even check time. It's 11:08. Yeah, if you just pop the wheels off and then I'll take a peek-sees at it, and you can go to leche. Get some leche. Yeah, I know. You need some, how do you say cat in Spanish? some cat milk? You guys want some cat milk today? Okie dokie. Dropping everything. What's up, jury? I didn't forget about you.
I gotta be home by 12.
2?
I gotta be home by 12.
Yeah, I asked my dad if he could do it, and that went over so well, you see.
Oh my gosh.
See?
Everybody's doing it.
Everybody. Fingers hurt. Hands. It's killing me. These are so tight. Is my finger bleeding? No. Shouldn't be bleeding.
Yeah.
Will be.
What is this cooler?
That's Julie out there.
Oh.
We're waiting for these. One of our parts house that we deal with kind of screwed us a little bit the other day. Because they were supposed to, we tried to order from them and they're like, oh, well, we won't sell them to you. You're not one of our customers. We're a customer. It's the same business, it's just in a different area. It's like, yeah, I'm like, are you kidding me? So they screwed us, so we had to get 2 injectors from here, 1 from there, and yeah, it was not very fun. Well, because I would have had this done on Tuesday. We're playing games. And they wanted to play games with us. So we're just gonna boycott them for a little bit and not buy that much and show them what it really like. Cal State.
Huh?
Cal State. I like it. They're one of my favorite places to buy from. Because they're like on the ball. I mean, like you order something, you know you're getting it. It ain't no game, but you know, that just made me very mad. You know, we're a customer of you guys. We're trying to buy your stuff and you're gonna treat us like that? With how much we spend there. Shouldn't be treated like that. You know, you should be serving the parts to us on a gold platter. So then we can give it to the customer, give them their vehicle back on a gold platter.
You recording?
Yep. Always recording. Record everywhere. Have to. More content. I think the battery is dead. I plugged it in to get some life out of it. I don't want to change the battery. The battery's a pain in the butt. You gotta take the whole camera apart. Oh, almost lost that. I gotta order a seal kit. I think I might have one. I'm gonna go look in the back real quick. We'll go look in the back and we'll see.